Do you find it difficult to convince your customers to upgrade a product to a higher variant? We're introducing Upsurge, the newest feature of Upsell and Cross-Sell app, helping you to upsell higher-level variants of products with discount. Though this feature comes as a product page's upsell in app, you can enable the offer pop-up even in cart page to enhance the upselling process. The feature will focus on upgrading your product's variants or upgrade product by product, which is why you will be able to select one product for trigger and offer, or separated product triggers and product offers. Once you finish setting up the products, you can also choose to offer discount with the upgrade. And the rest of the settings will be the same as other offer types. On the storefront product page, your customers will be able to see the embedded upgrade offer, or you can also apply pop-up layout for the offer using the Add to Cart button trigger. Meanwhile, in cart page, if the product added to cart isn't from the offer, the upgrade offer pop-up will be triggered once your customers click on checkout. So that's how you can motivate your customers to upgrade their selection using Upsurge. Boost your revenue and sales by upselling and cross-selling with Qikify today.